Hi, this morning we met with school superintendents in which we explained the current situation of COVID-19 in our community. And as we mentioned before, we have been working really closely with all the school officials, public and private, in order to establish certain parameters and how we're going to be responding to the situation that we're living. We know that the current situation is on an upward trend compared to a few weeks later, a few weeks before, in which we had seen the downward trend and we were in a very favorable situation. Currently, this is not the case, and we need to take further steps. The thresholds that we have mentioned before, in which it was going to be safer to bring all the students back to in person instruction, are already not met, and we are, instead of a downward trend, an upward trend. What does that mean? What does that mean? Well, it means that these further steps in a way that we're going to prevent the spread of the virus in the schools have to be taken into consideration for the school officials to bring to the school board in a way that we're going to be keeping our students, teachers, and staff safe. We initially established thresholds that were going to be set for our community in a very realistic way, taking into consideration guidance from the CDC, the World Health Organization, and we, for the community, established the thresholds of a positivity rate of 7.5%, a new cases per capita that will be below 25 per 100,000, and most importantly, a downward trend in the number of positive cases and hospitalizations. At this moment, we still feel that those thresholds are some that could still apply to our community, in which it will be either safe or not safe to continue in-person instruction for our students, teachers, and staff within the school system. We continue to monitor the situation, and since we are in an upward trend, we are recommending to all the schools further actions in which, one, the spectators for sports events are not going to be allowed. Second, we will continue meeting on a regular basis with the superintendents and the school nurses, in which today we outline the benchmark or framework that the school officials can use in case they have a positive case for COVID-19, and how to respond to that in a way to close either a classroom, a school, or a school district. We have our firm commitment to continue working with the school districts throughout this pandemic, and we will continue providing guidance and assistance in a way that is gonna help keeping everybody safe. We are happy to be these close allies to the school officials, and that they've been very willing to participate and follow our guidelines and recommendations. We will be publishing those documents in our website, epstrong.org, and we will be forwarding those documents to school officials as they are finalized. Thank you.